This
between
conference will now be recorded.
dictionaries versus list, and then we see the how can we extract some keys and values of dictionaries. Okay, so first let's see what is a dictionary. Dictionary is nothing but a collection of values with its keys. Okay, maybe dictionary is equal to, if we set a key or value instead of I think it should be a reverse. So if you set a value, you should have a key. Okay, see, I'm setting my cat is equal to size of feet. It's just a first variable, just a first data type which I'm storing in my cat. Okay, and this is my second data type, and this is my third data type. There are three data types are stored in my cat, but these data types are also have a sub functions, that is I'm saving size is equal to fat and color is equal to gray and disposition is equal to loud. Okay, for example, I want size. If I call size, it will give me the output as fat. Okay, so here I'm taking one more dictionary, that is I'm assigning a number with a string value. So if I call this number, that is if I call span of that number, that is 1 2 3 4 5, I will get the output as its value. Okay, so this is called as dictionaries. Let's check out how can we make dictionaries. Open your idea list, or you can do is do it in your phone too. Okay, those who doesn't have laptops or computers, they can do their tasks in phone using PyDroid 3. So here I am taking my first dictionary, that is dictionary 1, that is equals to, so the dictionary values can be stored in a flower braces. Okay, remember that word. You can store the values in flower braces. It will take it is as a dictionary. If we take here spam is equal to, I'm using a square brackets. What is it? It is a list. If I use instead of flower brackets, I use a parenthesis, it is a what it called? It is a tuple. Okay, clear? So just remember, if I am using this type of brackets, that is equal to, it is a tuple. Okay, if I am using square brackets, it is a what is it? It is a list. And if I am using these type of brackets, that is flower brackets, it is a dictionary. Okay, so these are the different how can we define our tuples, lists and dictionaries. So let's check a small, that is dictionary 1. I am taking a flower braces. Inside my flower braces, I am taking my keys, that is I am taking a key called color. I am assigning a value to it, that is red. Okay, I am taking one more key by giving a small comma, that is size. So I'm assigning a value to it, that is big. Now I'm taking a number by giving a small comma, that is 1, and I'm assigning a value to it, that is 12. Okay, so here I have taken color and I'm assigning a value, that is string red to color, but here I'm assigning a numerical value to a numerical value. Let's see. Okay, so just check your directory of dictionary. If I hit enter, it will show me what are the different directories or modules that we're going to use for dictionaries. That is clear, copy, for keys, get, items, keys, pop, pop item, set default, update, and values. Okay. If I want the see, if I need only the keys, what should I have to do? That is dictionary one dot. I need just values, right? Where is the function values? There is here values. If I hit enter, it will give me the dictionary values are, what are my values? That is red, big, and 12. So it will return me the only the values. Okay. If I need keys, just keys, instead of values, I will type this keyword, that is keys. If I hit enter, it will give the answer, that is dictionary keys, which are color, size, and word. Clear, everyone? So what are keys and what are values? Clear up to here? What are the keys and what are the values? Okay. So let's see more examples in that. That is, if I want to clear my directory one, I just want to write clear, right? If I hit enter, I didn't get anything. If I call my directory one, that is, it will show me error. Okay, okay. One, right? It will show me there is no values or keys present in my directory or dictionary. See, what is my type? It's my type of dictionary. That is, it will give return me as it's a dictionary. Okay. So why the keys and values comes in a square brackets? So if we return the keys and values, it will read uh, the dictionary and it will give the all as a list. Okay. See, my directory values are comes in a list, as well as as well as my dictionary keys also comes in a list. Okay. So these are some functions. So now we're gonna make another dictionary, that is I'm taking x is equal to, opening my flower brace, I'm giving name, that is one name called Ramana. So one is age. Okay, I'm giving his age as 23. So it's a number, or should I have to give the assigned numeric value? So I'm going to give college name. Yeah, I'm going to give his college name as What's your college name? It is Nima Shankar. Okay. I'm going to give his college name as KSRM. Okay. So I am taking a bio. Okay. That is, what's his name? Ramana. What is his age? 23. What is his college name? That is, I am giving an example as KSRM. So if I call x dot name, okay, if I call x dot, if I want to add something, that is, let's see, clear this all. So I want there is add, that is set default update. Okay, we will use update value here instead of, it's also there, that is copy, okay, items. Okay, let's see how can we update the values. Okay, I want to update. Okay, I want to update the value. See, it will show me the dictionary wants to update. What is E here? That is, if E is present in the present and has a key method, then this for K in E, we should have to call that. Okay. So I'm just want to update the college name. So what I have to do is we have to give the E, that is the name, that is college name. College name, and now I want to give a comma, and we have to give a new value, that is instead of KSRM I'm giving KORM. Okay. Screen update expected error. What is shown as followed by, okay, let's see what how is an update here. Key value, that is, here we can see how can we print the values, keys, and how can we print items. Okay, so we'll see that later. Let's go forward. We have already seen the values function and key function, right? Now what is meant by items? Here I have a dictionary, that is color is red and age is 42. If I need items, it will give me the first item, that is color is red and age is 42. It will divides into a tuple. See, here I have what is that? I have to, it is items, right? Okay, x dot items of, hit enter, it will give me a dictionary like, that is it's a first item, that is name Rama, and its a second item is age 23, and the college name is KSR. Okay. Likewise, we can list our items. Okay. Now checking whether the keys or values are existing in our dictionary or not. Okay. Using in and not in operators. We have already seen how can we use in, not in, or is not operators. Okay. So I want to check his name is, that is in, right? Name in, what is it? I need to check my name in x of values, right? X dot values. It will give me false because name is a key, right? So I'm taking that again function and changing the values into keys. Now this time it will give me the output is true because my name is present in keys. Likewise, we check whether our data is inside the list or inside the dictionary, which is where is our data is present, whether in keys or whether in values. Okay. So the get method. Okay. How can we get the items from the dictionary? Here I am taking pinch items, that is apple, 5 items of apples and two, two of cups. So here I'm just printing I am bargaining plus string of pinch items dot get if the cups comma 0 plus we have to print 2. Okay, so it's a small program. Let's, I'll paste it in chat box. Okay, likewise you can call our programs by using get methods. And what are set default methods? Set default is a function used to set the color for the whole dictionary in our program as a default one. See, here I am taking spam of name is Boca and age is 5. If color is not in spam, I'm taking a color, that is spam of color is equal to black. But now let's check spam is equal to name Boca age 5, but my color is not included. If I use spam dot set default color is black, here we are giving spam of color is black, right? Here I am setting my default value, that is color is black. It will hint if we enter a hint, it will give the reply that is black. If you call spam now, the color will be 5, age will be 5. Sorry, color will be black, age will be 5, and name is Poca. See, if I want change my color to white, it never changes the white. It will always be black. Okay, this is the set default function. Okay, so there is a small program where you can have some. See, here I am taking all guests, that is here I am taking 3 names, that is Elika, Bob and Carol. Here in both 3 names I am taking sub dictionaries. This topic is called dictionaries in dictionaries. Okay, how can we assign multiple dictionaries in a single dictionary? So we can save the multiple dictionary values in a single dictionary and we can assign a variable for that. So can you say where can we do such assignments? Where can we assign the multiple dictionary values to an assignment? That is for a variable. Every college does have a libraries, right? In libraries, we have a system where we can search our books, right? So there is a small program where you can write multiple book names and their values. That is the what it say like key numbers, the keys of their values to a books, and you can assign those all. Okay, if you want to search, just we have to type the key value or else the book name. It will show you the value, that is the book is present or not. Okay, likewise the dictionaries will help you to call the items from the multiple dictionaries. So you have two tasks today, so I'm going to give two tasks. That is, take a college name, okay, and make a dictionary with some book names and assign values to those books. Okay, see, for example, I'm taking a book called Wings of Fire. How many of you read this book, Wings of Fire? Can anyone answer who's the writer of this book? Who is the writer of this book? Yes, that is APJ Abdul Kalam sir, who written this book. It's a beautiful book, so you can those who doesn't read it, please I request you, and I will suggest you to read this book. Okay, Wings of Fire. Here I am giving its value as 001. So here I am making a dictionary with some book names and assigning some values to those books. That is, I am here taking a single book, that is Wings of Fire, and I'm giving a number, that is 001. So if I call my value, that is 001, instead of giving those all values, if I hit enter, it shall have to give me the value is and present in the rack name. Okay, present in the where it is present in. Okay, for example, present in a block. For example, I'm giving. Okay, so it's a small assignment for you for tomorrow. The another assignment is for you is, I'll give that assignment in the last. Okay, so just to take, I have shown you how to take values and how to take the dictionary values and dictionary keys. So just assign some keys and values to in a dictionary, and just make a small note that where the and take some blocks like A block, B block, and C block, and search for the book where the book have been stored. If you have stored the book, you have to print. Okay, you have to print the book is available. If the book is not there, if I search instead of 001, if I search 002, it may be the book is there or present or not. You have to print that value. No, such book is not in our, see, such book is not in our library. Okay, such book is not in our library, where your library has been already defined, right? So if it is available, you have to print available, or else you have to print the book is unavailable. Okay, so this is a small assignment. So have this assignment and submit your assignment to your drive link, where our admins will paste the drive link in your chat box. So that's it for today, guys, and I hope the Python beginner level has been completed. So that's it for today, and our course has been ended today. So I request those who have questions or queries, or any suggestions, uh, any queries about your Python programming from the first day to till day, you can. Yes. Okay. Okay. If you have any queries, you can ask. See, the beginner level. So the beginner level consists of all the just basics up to dictionaries. Okay. So see, we have covered what we have covered. So we have covered the variables, data types, operators, tokens, and some string functions in Python in the second day. First day we have taken all the introduction part. Okay. The third day we have taken some offline mode, that is string functions, int functions, float, length, upper, lower. These all contains for the strings, right? So what are the different flow controls are there? How can we use if and for loops? How can you use while loops? And how can you break the statements? This all we have seen in flow controls, and we have already seen the range function. How can we use the range function by giving the values in it, right? So it is I think it's our third day, and fourth day contains the libraries in Python. So we have seen how many libraries are there, just a glance, and how can we import our turtle library, and how can we create small designs using library of turtle, right? Okay, that is our fourth day, and the fifth day, okay, day or sixth day. Fifth day we have done the same. That is fourth day and fifth day are both the same, where we have designed a small a small game using turtle, right? There is a turtle race. Turtle race we have been designed. That is a main project of your course, and your course. The grid projects are. I have given it. I think yesterday. I think so. I have given a task for you. That is, you have to print this grid as a heart function. That is a heart shape. How many of you did this? So there is simple logic. You have to convert the rows into columns and columns into rows using list. That's it. Simple matrices idea. Okay. Yesterday's assignment is this. So we have already seen this all. And in the sixth day, we have seen how many functions are there, what are the functions we are going to use, and how to define a function and how to call a function. How can we define the hello function, and how can we call it simple call hello in a brackets. Likewise, we can define our own functions instead of prefix functions that are built-in functions, which is Python interpreter can't understand. Okay, so the sixth day we have seen lists as well as tuples. So we have seen some arguments and to solve from list as well as tuple. I have given the first assignment, right? The second assignment is for you is here. I'm typing the second assignment. Where I have this first assignment. Okay, assignment 1. Okay, and our assignment 2 will be so we have already covered tuples, lists, and dictionaries, right? You have to take the directories of those and see the directory of list and the directory of tuple and the directory of dictionary. So you have to take a directory of list, directory of tuple, and directory of dictionary. Okay, and you have to submit an assignment on that. Clear? So we're gonna see some values, that is what are dictionaries, what are keys, and what are values. See, dictionary of list, you have to take an assignment on all the functions that are present in list. Maybe you can have at least two instead of do it all. Okay, that is directory of list and then the directory of tuple. And the directory of tuple doesn't contains anything, that is only two, that is index and count, that both are same in list as well as tuple. So and take the directory of dictionaries and submit your assignment on these values, that are these functions. Okay, that is your second assignment. You have to complete your both assignments and you have to submit. So based on these assignments, the last two assignments, you will get a certificate. Otherwise you can't get a certificate. Okay, and you have to be uh, more participated in your programs. That is many of your absence, many of your absence for many classes, while we already have been informed you that if you're absent for 4 classes you can't get a certificate. So if you can't get a certificate, don't ask us why we didn't get any certificate. So I request you. So okay, that's it for today. And if anybody does have any questions, our admins are there. You can paste your questions in everyone box. That is, don't keep your questions for me, because if I am explaining, I will just minimize the chat box, right? And I can't reply your questions to me. If you keep your questions to organizers only or else everyone, so your questions will be understandable to all, as well as the one who will knows it, and they will rectify those questions. Okay. Today's my voice is a bit lower, that's why I'm ending my session and earlier. Yes. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. And there is one more thing, that is this is our we started our new idea, that is DSMS services and solutions, where we will give you the some